Hello everyone, in today's video, I'll guide you through the process of converting your physical SIM to an eSIM. To start the eSIM conversion process, you will need to find the IMEI and EID numbers of your phone. For iOS devices, head to Settings, General and About. If you're using an Android device, look for the About Phone section. The next step involves initiating the eSIM request with your mobile operator. Here's how. For Jio users, begin by downloading the MyJio app and registering your email address. Afterwards, send an eSIM request to the number 199. The message format should be as follows. Get eSIM space 32-digit EID number space 16-digit IMEI number. Once your request is submitted, you will receive an initiation text from the operator. Reply with a 1 to 199 via SMS to provide your consent for the eSIM upgrade. Shortly after giving your consent, you will receive an automated call. During this call, press 1 to accept the eSIM upgrade request. With the call accepted, your eSIM upgrade request will be processed. You will receive a confirmation message notifying you that your physical SIM will be deactivated within the next 2 hours. Your new eSIM will be automatically added to your phone, or you can manually configure it through your device settings. If you find this video helpful, a sub to my channel would be amazing. Thanks for watching.